school vehicle where the air conditioning had crapped out.
Oh God.
Oh man, that was tough. Days like this. Didn't help to put the windows down either, but
Yeah, it's something.
at least you had some air. Okay, so we're going to turn right at the lights. And we'll make a right turn into the Rexall parking lot. It's not too busy there. I think we can probably go across. Let's go right around the building. We'll actually start right at the road test center now that I see that it's not busy. They don't like it when we use their parking lot for non-road tests. Just go right around.